Hello everyone, welcome Max Expert Hema YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss Edexcel Advanced Level Mechanics paper, M1 paper, very important sum. Now this diagram is gave a particle A mass 3m, particle A mass 3m. Held rest on the rough horizontal table. The particle is attached one end light intersectional string. The string passes over the small smooth pulley P which fixed edge on the table. That P which fixed on the table. The other end string attached to the particle B 2m which hang freely vertically below P. Right. The system released from the rest. System released from the rest means initial velocity u equals 0. String tight. String tight means tension come. That. Because that's weight 2 mg. Kilogram 2 mg and that 3 mg. Weight. Right. So now normal reaction are that this is a process mark, very important. Then the system released from the rest which is string tight, which A 1.3 meter 1.3 meter from P, that 1.3 meter from P, B 1 meter above the floor, like 1 meter above the floor, horizontal floor, shown the figure. Given that B hits 2 seconds after release, does not rebound. Now hit 2 seconds, does not rebound. Find the acceleration during the first 2 seconds. Find the first you need to acceleration. Second coefficient friction mu, and determine whether he reach the pulley. Now you will come there, reach the pulley, right? Yes or no? Okay, right. This is your sum. So that very important thing. First you have some understanding, then you draw these forces. I think now you have marked this 2 mg, 3 mg, okay. Normal reaction, okay. Then tension, yeah, that T. So that friction force F. First we are going to find acceleration. He gave 2 seconds hits ground, 1 meter move. We know that motion rule, we distance times acceleration. I think better S equal ut plus half a t square substitute. We know 1 meter, no need to meters, let's put 1. Initial velocity 0, no need to write, and half times a 2 seconds mean 2 square mean 4, 2 times 1, 2 times 2, so a 1 over 2 means 0.5 ms2. Now first you answer acceleration 0.5 ms2. Now first part, okay. Now second part, we need to find this what? Coefficient friction. Now you know this coefficient friction include formula. Now this is a limiting equilibrium. This is a friction force maximum value that you can put F equal mu R. Now which one you find? Friction force and normal reaction. First you plan finding. Right. First now we are going to raise these. Now this that point, normal reaction R, that A point, you are resolve vertically, then does not move this vertical, then R minus 3 mg equals 0. So R should be 3 mg. First one, normal reaction. Then you can find the friction force. What is friction force? That F value you are going to find. How to do? Now this is including F equal ma, T and F. Already you R does not come, T. First you are planning find the T. You know actually acceleration, no? This is your B particle use F equal ma Newton second law down. Okay, so that force 2 mg minus T equal mass 2m, right, mass 2m, and I think that mass 2m, yeah, 2m, and acceleration what? 0.5. Now this simplification T come 2 mg minus m. Okay, then you take m outside, m 2g minus 1. That tension. So tension come m 2g minus 1. Right. So we are going to raise these. Then after now tension m2g minus 1, acceleration 0.5 already done. Right. Then we can use that A particle, Newton second law, F equal ma horizontal. That will. So that what is the forces? T only, T minus F. T minus F. Then already we done this normal reaction from that R equal 3 mg. Right. Then F equal ma use. Then T minus F equal this forces T minus F. What is the mass? 3m. 3m and acceleration 0.5. Okay. Then we know that tension. What? Now we are going to find this F equal, if subject, T minus 1.5 m. 1.5 m. So tension F equal, tension already done, m 2g minus 1, 2g minus 1 and 1.5 m. Right. So that simplify, if m take outside 2d minus 1, right, then minus 1 minus 1.5, right. So that answer come, use calculator. Yeah, we know that gravity 9.8, no? 2 times 9.8, enter. That minus 2.5, minus 2.5. So answer 17.1. Right. That we know this R equal 3 times m times 9.8. So normal reaction 3 times 9.8, 29.4. So R 29.4. Then we know actually F equal that limiting equilibrium F equal mu R. Now 17.1 m equal mu, normal reaction what? That 29.4 m. Right. Now we are going to erase this. Now m cancel. So that mu equal 17.1 over 29.4. Right. 17.1 divide 29.4. Now friction force mu equal 0.58. This is your answer. That are not friction force. Now he need to find what coefficient friction, I think. Yeah, coefficient friction. Okay, 0.58. Now mu already done, 0.58. Right. Then so now we are going to find that are everything okay. Second part okay. Determine a reach to pulley. How to do this? Now this now he gave to after release does not rebound horizontal above the floor, shown the figure, hits the floor 2 seconds. Then after tension release, okay, mu rod, A rod, everything rod. Then if equal what? Friction force 17.1 m. 17.1 m. Normal reaction no need. Okay, right. Tension, right. Mu 0.8, everything rod. Then now next part. Now this hits, that B particle hits the floor, then this tension release will go this desaturation. First we can find that point, 1 meter pass hits that time velocity. Okay, then we can write same V equal U plus 80. We know that initial value 0, that acceleration 0.5 and time 2. Now that final velocity 1 meters per second. Right, then hits, then the same, that A particle velocity also 1. Okay, so that that the meaning, now hits the ground, that A particle initial velocity 1. Okay, 0.5 times 2. Then now we can find now distance travels. Now that does not use that acceleration. Now desaturation. Okay, then you have put that tension removing. Right, tension removing, only friction force comes 17.1. Okay, then we are going to put this F equal ma desaturation, Newton's second law, second time, that A particle tension remove, this hits and this loose the string, then desaturate. Right, what is the friction force? No, any other tension does not apply, only friction force 17.1 m. 17.1 m. What is the mass? 3 m. That way, no, that way mean minus. Okay, 3 m and desaturation E. So A come, m cancel, minus 17.1 divided by 3. So that should be minus 2, no, that's sorry, 3 times 5, minus 5.7 desaturation. This initial velocity 1, then we have put V squared equal U squared plus 2 ways that particle. This we are going to find distance travel, then after 1, that 1 meter travel, no, then 1 meter travel mean another 0.3 meters is there. Right, then we are going to find this traveling distance less than that value does not whether reach to pulley, that's the way. Okay, so we are going to find V squared equal motion rule, V squared equal U squared plus 2A is that desaturation mode. Now his stop mean final velocity 0, that initial velocity 1, desaturation minus 5.7, that 2 times 5.7 times put L. So that length come L OS 1 divided by .4. So that value 1 divide 11.4, 0.08. 0.08. Now that distance L less 0.3. The meaning does not reach to A. That I think this not hard. One by one I explaining. Please follow my channel. This is a very interesting sum. Use motion rules, then Newton's second law, then your mechanical system. You take your mind is idea how to do this step by step. Then everything depend your textbook sums and past papers. More sums your we will done. That's why. Okay. So thank you so much. Watch my that video. Another sums I uploaded one by one past paper sums only, and textbook sums also I tried this. Now important part everything in future one by one. Okay. You know this my telephone number 071 800 5772. My name Hema Priyagunasekara. So right, thank you so much. Watch my video. Another some uploaded next video. Thanks a lot.